We're here for an update on Flying Fox. Guess what? Footer stakes. And over there looks like they're getting the foundation ready for the station. And they moved this huge dirt pile over here. Might be able to see the station better if we go over this way. Oh yeah, you can see over there. They got trenches dug for something. Not really anything over there. But there's a lot more footers over there for when it goes underground. It comes up and around into the station right here. It's gonna be a tight turnaround though. If it turns around and just goes right around and goes up by 80 Bs, goes down by Lightning Run. This is gonna be interesting to see how it all comes together and fits. But there's quite a bit done since my last update. We'll go in the park in a minute and I'll see what I can see inside. And there's like a peephole over by the Lightning Run entrance. There's a big concrete block here. It looks like they got more dog over there. Last time when they had the wood laid down for where I think they're gonna go up and over the pathway, and then right here I think is where the turnaround's gonna be. You can get a better view over here from the Casa Mia balcony, and we can see that there's more metal rods. You can see a bunch more things over there. Alright, we're here at the peephole. It's kind of hard to turn around to see, but it looks like there's like big tubes over there, like they're redoing scoops or something. And right here is a bunch of hardware with the boxes and stuff. So maybe you'll see better. Go around here. Not really much to see. But what if go over here now? I don't know if you can really see anything in this little peephole here. But mainly there's got a few more footers installed. I'll have to ride the Ferris wheel later to see what I can find. Right here's really the best people, but I think there's a little bit of construction going on over by Breakdance, not much. I don't know if you can maybe see over the fence here. Maybe what we could do to see footers is if we walk over by Lightning Run entrance. See the footers better. Over here, actually, fact. You can see the footers. It's gonna go up here. It's gonna go down, around, and here's gonna be the drop where it curves around. There's more footers, metal rods there. Not too much you can see over here, really. If you want the best place to see, it's either from the top of the Ferris wheel or over on the other side of it. It's over there. Okay, recap on the construction. They have the trench dug for the station, and they have lots of hardware shipped in, and they have a lot more footers poured. But with that, we're all clearing out of here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Enjoy the ride.